I'm Brad Rowell, and I'm one of the owners and chefs at Westro's.
And I'm Caryn Dujanovich, and I'm one of the owners here as well.
So we always thought that Ellicottville was a great town that had a lot of fun restaurants and cool activities for people to do down here, and we thought it would be a good fit for our brand of seasonal cooking and our hospitality, and wanted to kind of expand and come to a town that we really loved and present something new.
For the design, we always keep in mind classic, simple, timeless, and we're just keeping with that theme at Westro's, something that we know will not get sick of in a couple of years. Actually, we designed the whole space ourselves, and we used West End Interiors downtown for some sourcing needs and collaboration. Not really. The space was down to the studs when we were building out, so it was actually a clean slate and moderately easy to navigate. We had some navigation with this bar because it is arched edges, curved edges, so we had to go back and forth a little bit about what kind of bar rail we were going to use. So we came up with this option, and it was really great. That was pretty much a no-brainer. We worked with KegWorks in our restaurant in Hamburg, and it was really seamless and easy, so it took a lot of the complication just by using KegWorks again.
And I think that the high quality products that KegWorks carries and the customer service makes KegWorks a company that we really enjoy working with, and it's kind of like a seamless relationship.
We like brass because it naturally patinas over time, so it's something that we like the timelessness of it. We like when it ages. It was just a design choice. I like the curve and just bringing that element into the bar rail I thought is interesting. Well, when we saw the whole bar put together, the bar rail, the brass with the towers and the light fixtures and the bar rail, it all just married so well into each other and all complemented each other so well.